So, welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. This summer, I'm going to try some smoothies, and this is going to be the second one that I'm going to do. This smoothie can help your skin glow this summer. So, for that recipe, you will need a handful of blueberries, one banana, half a cup of mango, half a cup of apple juice, and half a cup of water or ice. So let's go ahead and put these in the blender. Okay, so we've placed all the ingredients in the blender. We have one banana, a handful of blueberries, half a cup of mango, half a cup of apple juice, and half a cup of ice. As I said, this recipe can help your skin glow for the summer. You can also add flaxseed or chia seed in there. So let's go ahead and let's blend this. Okay, so we're all done. Like I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.